Good afternoon. Now I'm going to explain about introduction to Java. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a high-level programming language and a platform independent. Java is a high level. Why it is high level? Because it is very user-friendly language, easy to develop and easy to understand. Java is a high level, robust, object-oriented and secure programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle in 1995. Why Java is platform independent? Any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as platform independence. Java has a runtime environment and API. It is called platform independent. James Gosling is known as father of Java. Java, its name was Oak, since Java was already a registered company. So James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. In Java, what is source code? Source code refers to the high-level code or assembly code that is generated by a human or programmer. Source code is easy to read and modify. It is written by the programmer by using any high-level language. Then the source code will give the code to compiler. From that, compiler will give to bytecode. What is the meaning of bytecode? Bytecode is an intermediate code between the source code and machine code. It is a low-level code that is result of compilation of a source code which is written in high-level language. It is processed by a virtual machine like Java virtual machine. It will produce .java class file and it will produce .class file. Then what is the main function in Java? Public static void main string arg is the main function in Java. What we call the public as access specifier, which can be accessed anywhere in the world. Second is static. Static is a keyword, and void is a return type. Method, main method. Then string args, array of string type. Then what we'll do? First, we'll execute our first simple program. How we'll do? We'll give our simple program to Java code. From that, it will give to compiler. It will produce bytecode as simple dot class. Then what are the features in Java? Now I'm going to explain the features. A list of most important features of Java language is given below. First, simple. What is simple? Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean, and easy to understand. Then we have object oriented. What is object oriented? Java is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Or object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Object oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules like basic concepts of OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Then third, we have secure. What is secure? Secure. Secure. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java is secure because no explicit pointer Java programs runs inside a virtual machine sandbox. Then we have robust. Why Java is robust? The English meaning of robust is strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoid security problems. Java provides automatic garbage collection which runs on Java virtual machine. to get rid of objects which are not being used by Java anymore. Next, what we have next next we have architectural neutral. What is architectural neutral? Java is architectural neutral because there are no implementations dependent features. For example, the size of primitive data types is fixed. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32 bytes architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 64-bit architecture. Uh, Next, we'll discuss about high performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages because bytecode is close to native code. It is still a little bit slower than a compiled language. Java is an interpreted language, that is why it is slower than compiled language. Example C, C++, etc. Next, we'll discuss about distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates users to create distributed applications in Java. RMY and EJB are used for creating distributed applications. The features of Java makes us to access files by calling the methods from machine on internet. Next, we'll discuss about multi-threaded. What is multi-threaded? A thread is a like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java program that deals with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. Next, we'll discuss about dynamic. What is dynamic? Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of classes. Next, simple program of Java. First, we'll write the Java class simple public static void main string fun. Before I have told you that public is accessible over the world, static is a keyword, void is a return type, and main is the function in Java. Next, we'll get the output through system.out.println, which will give us the output in Java. Then, see, in program, we have class. Then we learn what is class. Class is a collection of objects in Java. Is the physical as well as logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity. The syntax for class is class with followed by class name, data, and class methods. Close the parenthesis. Then object in Java. What is object in Java? An object is an instance of class. Objects have states and behavior. What is the difference between state and behavior? Suppose let us take an example. A dog has state like color, name, breed, as well as next behavior. What is the behavior? Wagging the tail, barking, eating. When we create an instance of class by using the new keyword, it allocates memory for the newly created object and returns the reference of the object to the memory. Then syntax for object, class name, object, new class name. What is the constructor in Java? Constructor constructor is a memory of an object when it created. It has same name as its class. Syntax of a constructor. Class name. Then we have two types of constructors in Java. First one, no argument constructor, parameterized constructor. Then no argument. First we'll discuss about no argument constructor. What is no argument constructor? As the name specifies, the no argument constructor of Java does not accept any parameters. Instead, using this constructor, the instance variables of a method will be initialized with fixed values for all objects. Example, public class, my class, int num, my class, num is equal to 100. Then what we have? Primitive parameterized constructors. What is a parameterized constructor? First, we'll discuss. A parameterized constructor that accepts one or more parameters. Parameters are added to a constructor in the same way that are added to a method. Just Declare them inside the parentheses after the constructor's name. See, class, my class, with the inside the parenthesis in X. This is the constructor. My class in I. X is equal to I, close parenthesis, within the parenthesis. Next, what is data type? What are the data types? Now I'll discuss about data types. In Java, data types specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in a variable. There are two types of data types in Java. First one is primitive data type, and second is non-primitive data type. First, primitive data type. There are 8 primitive data types supported by Java. Primitive data types are predefined by language and named by keyword. Let us now look into the 8 primitive data types in detail. First, data types, primitive, non-primitive. What are the primitive data types? We have primitive data types like Boolean will give Boolean values. In numeric, we'll have two types, character and integer. Character will give character types values, and in integral we have two types, integer and floating point. Integer will give byte, short, int, and long values. Floating point will give float and double. Non-primitive. In non-primitive, we have string, array, etc. Then, how will find the value and size of data type? First, data type Boolean. Boolean will have default size is 1 bit. Char, char will have default value 2 byte. Byte have default size is 1 byte. Short will have default size is 2 byte. Int default size is 4 byte. Long default size is 8 byte. Float default values for double. Default values 8 byte. A null values means there is no value we are looking at blank or empty cell, or zero means the value itself is zero. Next, we have syntax for creating an object. Object class name is equal to class name object is equal to new class name. What is method in Java? Method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. Syntax for creating an method. See, public static int method name followed with int a, int b. In that, we'll write the body of uh, method. See, what is public? Public means it is static modifier. Next, what is int? Int means return type. Method name. Name of the method. AB, formal parameter. Int A, int B, list of parameters. Syntax for method. Modify a return type and name of method parameter list. Next, we have non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types, unlike primitive data types, these are not predefined. These are predefined data types created by programmers. These data types are used to store multiple values. For example, consider an array that stores a group of values. Class is also a primitive data type that stores different methods and variables. Therefore, these are also called advanced data types in Java. Whenever a non-primitive data type is defined, it refers to memory location. When the data is stored in a heap memory, it refers to the memory location where an object is placed. Therefore, a non-primitive data type is a variable that also called reference data type or simple object reference value. An object reference variable on the stack memory and the object to which it points always lies on the heap memory. The stack holds a pointer to the object on the memory. Thank you. I think